We have a Peugeot 50 here, and people most of the time just wondering where they can run their amp wire. So I just found a hole here, and if you guys can see behind this pipe here, yeah, under there. Sorry, it's blocking the view, but if pipe under this pipe here, that's the seal which is blocking this hole. And from the other side of car, so I took off this seal here, and you can run your wire. See it, so in that hole there, don't need to drill any hole, straight way. Thanks for watching. So we got our power cable behind that firewall, as I shown it before. So the idea is we're gonna pass this cable through this area to back. And I'll show you where I connected my high to low converter here. So it's connected to rear speaker, and one is a front speaker. I'll show you in later pictures which wire goes to which one. And my remote wire is coming from that green connector, and that's the off first wire on this connector. So yeah, it's once I'm not sure where this wire is going, but it's connected to our ignition as well. So as you switch off, no power in this cable, but when you switch off, so we're gonna use this as a remote wire.